sure you have the keys out of the car, make sure your hood is up, and then you can begin. Plug, this is gonna go to the passenger light, which we're changing. So you're gonna wanna unplug this. So it's unplugged now. Just leave that little area right here. You just wanna unscrew it. And it is out. Next, you're gonna wanna have to figure out what bulbs your low beams take. This Elantra take. There's a little part in there where you're gonna just kind of turn the knob and then the light bulb is gonna come out. And there's the light bulb where it's plugged into these wires. So you're gonna unplug the light bulb and plug your new one in. I clipped the new light in and put the old, and boom, it's bright.